Hey dolls, we're back at it again. Okay, so let's get at it today. Let me tell you what I am going to do for you today. We're gonna go ahead and give ourselves a emo goth-ish look, honey. Let's try this out, okay? So, any way that I can help, let's do it. The first thing that I'm going to use, we're gonna jump in there already, is a graphic pin. Okay, so this is for your eyes. Top eyeliner, don't try to put it on the bottom because it will hurt if it goes in the eyeball. Tried it once, burned like there was no tomorrow. So I have these eyebrow arches. They're just the shapers pretty much, but I don't use them for that. I use them to help me with the cat eyes, because I usually cannot do a straight line. It's horrible if I try to do it freehand. Not happening, honey. You can use tape. You can use, I think they sell little pasties that you can put on your eyes as well. Don't know what they're called, but I've seen them before. Anyways, so I use this, whatever I can find. It will do. Let's jump in it. All right. So I'm going to start with the cat eyes. I already have my eyebrows on. I already have my mascara. What I do is I line it from the tip of my eyebrow right here to the corner of my eye. And I just draw it out. It's okay if you mess up a little bit because that part is going to be filled in anyway. Okay. So like that. You kind of get the idea. You want to wipe it off if you do use something on from eye to eye. That way you don't get the access everywhere, because it's not pretty when you have to clean a mess. Okay, so from the corner of the eye towards the corner of your eyebrow. And go ahead and kind of fix it up. So that's what that looks like so far. Beginning of the cat eyes. Okay, so from that point on, you go in and you go from the top inner eye out to the outer eye, and try to have a still hand as much as possible. And once you go towards the back, you kind of want to thicken it out a little bit and continue. Now there is different emo looks. There is goth, I should say, goth looks. So you do as you please. But honey, you can do it any way you want, and it's fun and it's beautiful. However you decide to do your makeup, don't let anybody tell you any different. Okay. So then you just go in and fill this in. And just get it in there. Fill it all in. You can use different products to do this. I like this pen in particular just because it is very easy peasy, as always. Sorry, I gotta concentrate. Okay, honey. Yes, I want a little thicker. Always try to keep your eye open, because if you don't, you will not get the shape you're looking for. It will look weird and out of shape. You do not want that. Okay, you see that? Let's do the other eye. Inner to the outer. As steady as possible. So, dolls, how's your day going? I hope it's going well. Mine's going fabulous. I had to take Bonnie the bulldog to the groomers today, just so she can get a little bath, get her nails done. You know, us girls, we need our nails done, which I do not, but I'll be working on that soon. I just haven't had time because I work so much. But yes, she went to go get her nails clipped. She went to go shower because we don't like stinky dogs. She needs to get ready to see her man next door. It's Fred. He's the English bulldog. Soon in September, they'll be mating, hopefully. Getting married. And that will be a YouTube to come soon. None of them actually getting married, but you know, of pups. Okay. So you just want to fill that in. Go ahead, go ahead. It needs to be thicker as well. So I closed my eye to draw the line on there, but that's as much as you need to close it. Don't try to keep it closed, because I'm telling you, it will never work. My lash got in the way. Okay, I need to do this side. Yes. Looking very, very cute. So next, I'm going to do the upper inner of my eyelid, and then the bottom inner of my eyelid as well. This is CoverGirl. I love these pencils. So it's not one of those that you have to actually sharpen. You twist, comes up. Once it's done, just throw it away. Buy yourself a new one. Because, honey, they work great. All right. Looking good. Looking good. I hate when I get distracted and I actually pull my eyelid down. It drives me insane, because then I'm going to get wrinkles when I get old. You don't want that. Okay, so go to the other eye. Inner, upper, just to make it look thicker. Inner, bottom, make it look very, very cute. When doing the darker look on your eyes, you want to go over it a few times just so it can take and it will stay dark, because you don't want your top eyes looking better than your bottom eyes, you know. So we're getting somewhere. Okay. Let me see. There it is. All right. So I actually don't have a black lipstick. We're just gonna use this for now. Let me see. We're gonna go ahead and go with just the cover on our lips. It's Lipsine. So it's just a gloss, that's it. Nothing big. I'm gonna have to buy myself a darker lipstick because I don't have any at all. But you get the concept on the eyes. I really don't wear dark lipstick because my lips are already small, so it makes them look smaller. Okay. So you can call this the goth look. You can call it the cat eyes. Whatever you prefer. Hello, sweethearts. Thanks for tuning in, girls. Come back to watch again. I will post more videos. I will have more stuff for you to watch. Subscribe, like, comment. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Like I always say, it's all wanted. Have a great day.